All right, you're welcome to Coach Ifeanyi channel, and today we are going to be talking about something very interesting that's about to happen, and you need to be in the know and take action fast. Now, you already have seen it. That is how you can grab your own share of over 19 billion cards in airdrop. Yes, even if you did not participate in the cards game and airdrop, yes, you can still grab your share. And if you have participated already, you can get extra. Yes, you can get free extra cards from this opportunity I'm about to share with you right now. And it's happening with Bitget. Remember that Bitget is one of the major partners or support or sponsors or supporters of the CATS project. Yes. Now, let me also quickly let you know that as at the time I'm making this video right now, this is 29th of September morning, you can still get on board and grab some cards, yes, cards points ahead of the airdrop. Now it's happening the same way dogs happened. Yeah, you just get in there, carry out the task, complete the task, because right now that's what you can do, the best you can do. Get there, all of the tasks, carry them out, carry out all of the tasks that you can, because I know there are some that you may not be able to. Just go ahead and carry out those tasks and grab some cards waiting for the airdrop. Now, this as at this time right now, cards price, the pre-listing price is already at 0.00039, 0.0039, and it's really amazing what's about to happen. So check in the description of this video, you get a link to actually get on board if you have not started with cards already. Okay, and to participate in this, before I continue to tell you the details, because you need to watch this video to the end to know the steps you need to take so that you don't make any mistakes. Because if you make mistakes, you may lose your funds, right? Now, there is no risk in this, no risk at all on your part. All you just need is to follow the instructions I'm about to give to you. You don't have any risk on this project. Yes, I dare say so. Now, first things first, you want to subscribe to this channel, you want to like this video, you want to share it, you want to also check in the description for a link to my Telegram channel where you join us for regular support and updates. Those are the things you need to do first. Now let's come down to the main business of the day. All right, so now before you get started, to join the Bitget CATS launch pool, because it's in the launch pool where you can grab your share of the over 19 billion cards, you need to have an account with Bitget. Yes, you need to have an account with Bitget, and it's very easy. I've left a link at the first link in this the description of this video. I'm also going to pin it in the comments. Is the link you can use that link to create a Bitget account. And so when you create the Bitget account, I'm going to give you the guide here, but you just credit or transfer any crypto, whether it's USDT or even BDB to your that Bitget is BDB is the Bitget token. You can transfer, in fact, just transfer USDT, you can convert to BDB if you choose to, right? Transfer any amount of crypto to the your newly created Bitget wallet. And now if you already have a Bitget wallet, yes, just transfer if you don't have any funds in it. If you have, then follow the next instructions I'm about to give you. Now the launch pool is going to open on the 1st of October, the day that cards will be listed. So you need to watch out. All right, you need to be up to date, and I'm going to be giving you updates as the day approaches. Just about 2 days to go, right? Okay, quickly. So let's go. Now let's look at the instructions. Initial listing, Bitget will list cards, come and grab a share of 20.250 billion cards. Let's look at what Bitget says in their announcement page, new listings announcement page. They said this was posted on the 27th actually. So we are thrilled to announce that cards will be listed in the innovation meme and turn ecosystem zone. So you check out the detail below. First, deposits available opened. Trading available to be determined. Withdrawal available to be determined, as TBD. Spot trading link, that is it there. You trade cards versus USDT. Activity 1, launch pool. Now, this is the one I'm talking about, where you have no risk on your part. Yours is just to follow the instructions here right now. So what is it about? You are going to lock BGB, all right? You will lock BGB and USDT to share 19.5 billion cards. Yes. So in the launch pool, it is 19.5 billion, right? Now, 19.5 billion cards. The locking period is from the 30th of September. I'm sorry, I even said 1st of October. It's 30th tomorrow. From tomorrow, 30th September at 10 10:00. Yes, 10:00 UTC. 10:00 UTC is 11 a.m. Nigeria time or West African time. So by 11 a.m. tomorrow, West African time, WAC time, or Nigeria time, we will start this. So you can start now by first opening an account with Bitget, link in the description and also pinned in the comments. And once you open it, you can use your browser to do that. You can use your mobile to do that. Just follow the link here, okay? So once you do that, now next thing is to fund it. Transfer some crypto to it. You can do P2P. You can also buy or move from any of your wallets, whether it's hot wallet or cold wallet, and transfer. All right. And once you've done that, you are ready, waiting. Okay. Now you can decide to use USDT. You can decide to use BGB. Is raining out there right now. Cool. Okay. So locking period. Total CATS airdrop is 15 billion cards that is allocated to those who are going to be locking in the launch pool with BGB, that's the Bitget token. So maximum locking for BGB is 100,000 BGB, and currently BGB is trading at around 1.03 thereabouts against the USDT. So you can lock a maximum of 100,000 BGB, and the minimum BGB locking limit is 5 BGB, which is equivalent above $6. Okay, so now BGB pool airdrop per user, users equal to users lock BGB plus divided by the total BGB of all eligible participants times the corresponding pool. Now, locking pool 2, this is locking pool 1 for BGB. Now, for USDT, the total airdrop for the USDT is 4.5 billion, 4.5 billion cards. For BGB is 15 billion, right? And the total is 19.5 billion. Okay, so eligibility here now is for new users. Only new users who sign up after September 23rd. Now, so if you signed up, if you're signing up right now, you can safely, like I said. Now, the reason I say safely here is because if you use BGB, BGB is not a stable currency, it's not a stable coin. It can fluctuate, right? Like now, if I show you the chart, let me quickly show you that chart. Okay, so on the trading view chart, this is the BGB chart, spot chart against USDT. So you can see that BGB is currently dropping in value, right? So this is just 1 hour chart. As at 28th, which is yesterday, BGB reached a high of 1.07. Yeah, it's reached a high of 1.07 and it started dropping, and currently it's at 1.0347. So what this simply means is that if you use lock in BGB, now the only risk you have there is if BGB keeps dropping, but there's also a chance that if you use BGB to lock, that the price may appreciate by the end of the launch pool. So that's just the key difference. So let's continue with this. All right. So for new users, to protect you, you'll be required to just use USDT so that you know that your money is safe. All right, your fund is safe, because for the USDT, there's no fluctuation. It's one USDT to $1. All right. So that's where you appear as a new user. And maximum you can lock is 2,000 USDT, and minimum you can lock is 5 USDT. Okay. So now, activity 2, community giveaway. Activity 2, community giveaway. Win your share of 150 million cards. Campaign date 27 September all the way to the 7th of October. How do you participate now? Sign up. Like I told you, you just follow the link in the description of this video. Download Bitget app and complete KYC. So KYC is very easy, very simple. First of all, verify your email after you've signed up, and then next is either you use your BVN. Yeah, if you're in Nigeria, use your BVN or use your means of identification, valid means of identification, either your international passport or your driver's license, and then voila, you are verified. Under 1 hour, you are verified. In fact, 30 minutes, because mine verification was done under a few minutes. Yeah, and for some of you, those of you already who verified with the Gold Vest project, also, of course, you don't need to open an account. Join both Bitget and Discord and Discord Telegram. That's join both Bitget, Discord, and Telegram. So you join, of course, you just once you have registered, you just see the link to join the Bitget Telegram, okay, and then complete a CATS deposit or CATS USDT spot trade of any amount. Okay, this one is for the pool 3. That's for the pool, that's the what's it called now, the activity 2 for the USDT giveaway. Yeah, so for this one now, you can actually do that. So all you just do, you buy your USDT and convert for this very one, okay? Price 1,000 qualified users will be randomly selected to equally share the pool prize. Activity 3, pool X, lock cards to share 600 million cards. Now, locking period is October 5 to October 14, 10 a.m. UTC to 10 a.m. UTC. So that's 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. Nigerian time or West African time. So pre-locking starts time 2nd October, 10 UTC. So you can start locking by then. Now, locking pool details. Total CATS airdrop is 600 million cards. Minimum cards locking limit is 3.3 million, right? 3 billion rather, 3 billion cards. This 600 million, 3 billion cards. Maximum is 3 billion, minimum is 30,000 cards. So cards pool airdrop per user equals users locked cards divided by total locked cards of all eligible participants times the corresponding pool. Introduction. Let's quickly go over this now. Now, you need to understand, for those of you who don't know about CATS, CATS is a point collecting game on Telegram. So you can still go and collect your points, like I mentioned earlier on. Check the link in the description of this video. You just go use your phone on Telegram, tap on it, and then you get in there, carry out all the tasks. Do you understand? Carry out all the tasks. If you have friends to invite them, you get some points, right? And if you don't have friends to invite, no problem. Just complete the other tasks that are there. Complete them. Part of the tasks there is maybe playing some other games or liking their Telegram, going to follow them on Telegram, on X, and all of that. So just go ahead and do that, okay? So once you've done that, so CATS emerged from the growing interest in meme coins and community-driven crypto projects. The idea behind CATS is to create a platform that combines the fun and engagement of a game with the utility and potential profitability of a cryptocurrency. The game focuses on bringing together a community of cat lovers and digital asset enthusiasts. So that's about it. So now to take part in this project, okay, like this one now in 7 days limited time, buy crypto offer, buy CATS with your credit card or debit card at 0% fee with 140 plus currencies: the Euro, GBP, AUD, TWD, UZS, UAH, TRI, THB, and so on. So you can actually do that. Now, quickly, let me read out the disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are subject to high market risk and volatility despite high growth potential. Users are strongly advised to do their research as they invest at their own risk. Thank you for supporting Bitget. All right, so this is the Bitget LaunchPool offer for CATS, and you want to take advantage of this because it doesn't matter how many cards you even have got already or that you still get. If you get the extra, it doesn't hurt. Okay, so you can imagine you getting up to 1 million cards, right? And at the current rate, let me just show you the current rate of cards before we wrap up this video. So let's quickly go to spot, and I'm going to take you to spot quickly, and we will see cards in the pre-market price. Okay, so now you can see cards here. Look at cards price. Currently, pre-market price of CATS is at 0.000396999. Now, yeah, it has grown by 4 points. 47%. Last night it was around 3.0.00037 or so. And okay, so that's it now. So that will tell you what is to come. So assuming that you have 1 million 1 million cards, you know what that will mean. Just do the multiplication. I don't want to do it for you. All right. Okay, so if you got value from this, I would like for you to please like and share this video. And if you like to subscribe and smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. All right. And get in the description and get link to join me on Telegram. Yes, join me on Telegram and let's continue with the education and empowerment. Thank you very much and God bless you.